Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. I'm gonna be installing the center console piece here, the trim piece that goes right here, in carbon fiber as well, so it can match the whole trim here. The best thing to do is that you want to put the shift knob in neutral so that you can go in very easily, and you also want to open up the center console door, this one right here. Just make sure it's open. And then what you want to do is basically what I did on the shift knob, clean it with adhesion promoter so that way you can take off all the dirt, grime, and oils or whatnot. And then you're just going to go ahead and place it over. So we're going to go ahead and do that now, and we'll see how everything looks. All right, so what you want to do is go ahead and place over. So it's nice and snug there, and then you want to start pressing down to make sure all the joints basically adhere correctly. All right, so I think we covered all the areas. I'm gonna go ahead and take a nice far shot so you guys can see how everything looks. All right, guys, here it is. It's a little bit windy here, so bear with me. I'm gonna back up all the way back and then go forward. There's a reason why my hood is open. You'll find out very soon. But basically, this is how everything looks now. Just one side key note, the only negative that I see in this is that the center console, when you try to close it now, you have to put some more pressure on it. Maybe even slam it to kind of close it. And I don't mean it in a drastic way, just saying, you know, before you used to just close and it locks in easily. Now you got to press down so that everything, you know, locks in place. Let me know what you guys think. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Boosted Whips. I'm out. Have a very blessed day.